Hi boys and girls, welcome to another episode of this old hoopty that I'm trying to resurrect. So, I'm gonna try to throw a distributor on today. I'm gonna try to throw a carburetor on today, possibly even plumb it up today and see if it will fire up. Again, this thing has not been ran in a long time, several years. It was a farm truck. Drove it for a little bit, didn't even do oil change, then parked it, and it's been sitting for years and years and years. And honestly, the last time this thing probably had an oil change was a decade ago. It's in pretty piss poor condition, so. Let's put some studs on. Now with carburetor on, we gotta figure out the throttle over here. So this is factory, so we bent that a little bit. Just gonna have to drill a little bit bigger hole in the linkage here, and then get this bad boy connected. I figured out probably some sort of bolt or something. Alright, so I got the kick down bracket over here and throttle bracket just from one made a two-piece, because the way the kick down is, it's gonna be a little bit farther away anyway, so we're gonna relocate it and see if we can get it all adjusted. Yep. Again? Cool, that's it, thank you. About halfway. Got the fuel line. Then I got some hose. It's a, I don't know what brand that is, but it's a 3/8, and it's I think up to 50 psi. Yep. So this will be more than enough. Alright, so for now I'm just gonna run without fuel filter, just for test drive, because there's gonna be lots of tinkering anyway. So just gonna run it straight. I mean, depends. Before I start, I might just cut it, throw a fuel sipper in there, so there's not too much crap in there. I'm gonna throw brand new acidical thermostat in there. Use one of the gazillion one of them thermostat housings that I get. Enough. Right over. Boom, boom. All right. And we are running. I think our timing is way off, but we are running. No coolant, so we can't run for too long, but we're running. Alright, shut it off, master. Get the key out.
I can't take the key out.
all of you wondering what kind of fuel system we're running. It's this fucking magnificence over here. Works out pretty well actually. Put our fuel cap back on. We're all set. Almost forgot. Please support your local animal shelters. Right, Bear Bear? Right, laddie?